This one's a nice one. Hello everyone, Steve here, BS Slot Cars. Today we got some packages in. Let's open them up and see what's inside. Oh yeah, these are the BTO wheels. I ordered some more for my X traction cars. Check out them beauties. Got all different colors. Some black ones. Gotta see what cars I'm gonna put them on. Good wheels, as you've seen in my last video on them. I got them at Slot Car Central, right there. Wanna go look at them beauties? Alright, next up, see what's in here. Whoa. Oh boy, I hate these things. How many of you guys, they're good? But I literally hate them. They make a mess. Oh my god. Alright, I'm surprised. Oh, only one fell out. Let me put that down, see what it is. Ta-da! 1975 Datsun 620. Check that out. We're going to open this up and we're going to take it for a spin on the poly track after I break it in. So stay tuned. We're just going to look at it really quick here. I don't gouge myself. Should have got the scissor. Never learn. Maybe that's good enough to get it out. Nope. Hold on. I think that did it. Yep. There it is. Extraction. Looks pretty neat. I was always eyeing these up. They look awesome. Be nice I could run that with the bugs and the Ford Bronco. I got all the rally cars now. I could take them all out for a spin and race them, but we're gonna set this one up really quick. I'm gonna make one of these guides here for it, and then I'm just gonna pop the shoes from one of these on here because I have to put the copper on there, the braid, and then we'll take it for a run on the poly car track and see how she runs. Alright guys, here's the new car. I put the copper on the shoes and the new guide. I got this thing here. I'm going to go a few laps. You can see over here. I don't know if you'll see it. The purple's the best lap and the last lap's the red. So let's get started. Hope this works. Feels good. How fast he goes. Man, this one's a nice one. Woo! Push it a little more. Oh, that's fast. That was fast. This thing, oh! That should be sufficient enough. Hope you guys could see that. Alright. So the best lap was a 4.620, and that last lap must have been the best lap because it was a 4.620. Awesome, right there. That was fun. Man, this thing hauls that, you know what? This is a good one, guys. I love this one. It rips. Anyhow, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and test run of this beauty Datsun. I always liked these. I never got one. Now I got all a rally car, so could do some rally racing with these beauties. They work really good on this track stock with these hard tires. If you switch these tires out to like the urethane ones or a softer rubber compound, whoo! I bet that time will go down maybe 4 seconds or less. Maybe. Maybe I'm dreaming. Anyhow, guys, thanks for watching. If you're new watching, please subscribe. I appreciate y'all. Please leave the thumbs up. Helps channel out. Comments also. And also hit that bell so you don't miss any videos. Later, guys. Enjoy your slot cars and have fun. I'll see you next time.